All right, hey everybody, this video is going to be on our rolling mill, and this is it. And basically, after you've made some silver ingots like this, you're going to roll it out. And so basically, this area of the rolling mill is used to make square material. This, then, you can put your square material in and flatten it to be a rectangle. And over here, this area is to make half round rings. Those are the three parts that this rolling mill has. And then on this, this direction makes the two rollers go closer together. So generally we're gonna move it this way. And keep in mind that once you roll this through about 3 to 5 times, it becomes very hard and can develop cracks. So if you want to not have cracks in your thing, you should go anneal it, the soldering table, get it to be about, you know, a nice dull red, quench it and bring it back here. So right now, I'm going to use this little ingot we have right now, and so we're going to be starting to the far right here, and I'm just going to go ahead first and just crank this down until it starts to grip on it. So there, it's gripping on it, and I'm just going to run it, show you how I run it through here. So when you film on this side, okay, so here comes my thing. I'm going to rotate it a quarter turn, and I'm going to do a quarter turn right here. I'm going to run it through the same one again. So here it is, and I'm going to do a quarter turn and a quarter turn tight. Uh-oh, I can't do this anymore. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from the very biggest slot to the next one in to the right. So I was here, but it's maxed out. So now I'm going to loosen this up a little bit. Get it kind of in there. It's on my ingot right now, so I'm going to go ahead and go through. I'm on the second one now, so quarter turn here, and then quarter turn. You don't want to tag team this with a friend because you could maybe get hurt. You can tell that it's starting to get square. Okay, now I can't go anymore here. So I've maxed out the second one. Now I'm going to move to the third one. So I'm going to loosen this guy up again. And get this tight. And I'll go ahead and run it through to a quarter turn. So now I'm on the third one. And I probably should go anneal this thing. That'd be the best thing to do. But okay, all right. So now, if you look at this thing, it's square. I would say this is square, in my opinion. It's square. So now I'm going to go anneal it. Maybe we'll film that too. Should I anneal this really quick? You think with a torch? Yeah. I should do it. You guys can see what silver looks like. I had one instructor that she would rub black Sharpie on this prior to the flame. When the black Sharpie went away, we were done. But I just move the flame away. I'm looking for it to be just a little bit dull red. So it's important to move it away. So right there, it's kind of that red. And I would stop here. I wouldn't go farther than that. So that's it for that. Okay, so now we'll loosen this up, and I'm going to be putting this. I'm going to flatten it now. Okay, so I got my thing in here now. It's tight, so I'm going to go ahead and... The difference now is that now I am not going to rotate it at all. I'm just going to keep it the same. And so I'm going to make it be a rectangle. You can bring it back through the other way too. It doesn't have to go one way. It can go, you know, get to the left, same with the right. Okay, so about 4 times, but to me that's a pretty good thickness there. And I could easily get a ring out of this, but if you want a thinner ring, of course you know what to do. You could just go thinner, and it'll definitely get longer. So I'm definitely gonna stop there, and we'll continue making a hammered finish ring from this. Okay, cool. Here I have this silver rectangle. I'm just gonna demonstrate doing a hammered finish ring on one side. You want to be on the flat part of a vise or something like this. This is my jeweler's ball in here. And I've annealed this. I've annealed it so it's relatively soft. And then I'm going to practice like this. And I'm going to keep going down the line here. It's getting stiffer. Now, what I'm going to do now is I could even do the sides of the ring too a little bit if I want. Like this. You do the side. So what you want to do is this, and notice that the ring is bowed right now, but it's stretched, it's grown. So what you want to do is you don't want to cut your ring to the right size until you've done the hammered finish. So now I can try and get it a little more straight. I might try and use the flat part here and get it to be more straight. I'm going to go and anneal it, and then we're going to move on to the next step. But you can definitely get it more straight by just pounding it down like this. Okay, so that's the kind of hammered finish ring. All right.